Hi children, today we are going to start next lesson, third lesson, that is happy days always. Happy days always. See, before starting the lesson, there is a warm-up activity. I request you to open your textbook, third lesson, happy days always. See, positive thoughts help us develop a positive attitude. Read aloud these thoughts, color the positive thoughts and cross out the negative thoughts. See, this is the warm-up activity given in your textbook, page number 29. Okay. See, positive thoughts help us develop a positive attitude. If we are positive, we think something positive, our attitude will be positive. If we think always, if we think negative, our attitude will be negative. We will be always mood up. So what we have to do? We have to think positive. Okay. See here, some thoughts are given below. See, read aloud the thoughts, color the positive thoughts and cross the negative thoughts. So you have to read the thoughts carefully and we have to find whether the given thoughts are positive or negative. If there is positive thought, you have to color it, and for the negative thoughts, you have to cross it. You have to put cross mark in it. Okay. See, first one, I can never finish this work. I can never finish this work. It means I cannot finish this work. Is it a positive thinking? No. It is a negative thought, right? I cannot finish this work, or I can never finish this work. It means it is a negative thought. So we have to cross it. We have to think always positive. Yes, I can do it. Right? I can finish this work. In such a way we have to think. We should not think negative. So, I can never finish this work. That is a negative thought. So, you have to cross it. Okay. This thought you have to cross. And next one, I will try my best. I will try my best. Is it a positive thought or negative thought? It is a positive thought. Why? Because I will try my best. In the sense, I will try my best to get it, whatever it is. We have to try our best until we get it. We have to try our best. It is a positive thought. You can color it. Okay, you can color it. And next one, no one loves me. No one loves me. This one, no one loves me. Is it a positive thought? No, it is a negative thought. We should not think about whether others are loving us or not, whether others are caring us or not. We have to be positive always. Okay. We should not think that they are not loving me, they don't like me. Okay, we should not think like that. We have to be positive. Everyone loves me. We should think in such a way. Everyone loves me. I love everyone. In such a way we have to think. Okay, this one you can cross it. It is a negative thought. No one loves me. It is a negative thought. And next one, I will learn to swim. I will learn to swim. Is it a positive thought? Yes, it is a positive thought. I learned to swim. It is a positive thought. If we don't know something, we should try to learn it. We should learn it. I will learn to swim. It is a positive thought. For example, if you get less mark in examination, what you have to do? You have to try for good mark or full mark you should get in next examination, right? So you have to think in such a way, I will get out in next exam, right? Whatever the things whatever it is, if we don't know the things, if we don't know those things, what you have to do? You have to you should try to achieve it. If you don't know to swim, you have to learn to swim. Right? You should learn to swim. So, I will learn to swim. That is a positive thought. You have to color it. Okay. Next one. I can never swim. I can never swim. Here, it means I cannot swim. I can never swim. Okay, it is a negative thought, right? It is a negative thought, right? Because if we are thinking negatively, we will be always in negative mode only, right? I can never swim, I cannot swim, others are swimming. If we think in such a way, nothing is going to happen. You are not going to swim any day, right? So what you have to think, if you don't know to swim, you have to learn to swim. What we have to think, we have to think in such a way, I will learn to swim. Whatever it is. If you don't know to ride a bicycle, you should not be sad. What you have to do? You have to take a decision, that is, I will learn to ride a bicycle. Right? So you have to be always, you have to be positive. This one, I can never swim. You have to cross it. It is a negative thought. Okay. And next one, I can do this. I can do this. As I said you before, whatever the things, you have to be positive. You should think that, yes, I can do this. I will learn this. I will learn this. I can do this. Nothing is impossible, right? Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. We have to think everything is possible. Everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. I can do this. That is a positive thought. You can color it. Okay. Next, last one. I will not stop trying. I will not stop trying. It is a positive thought, right? I will not stop trying until I get it, or until I learn to do that. What I will do? I will try. That is a positive thought. I will not stop trying. For example, swimming. See, I can never swim, here we read, right? We should not think in such a way. We have to think, I will not stop trying. I will try my level best until I learn to swim. I will try for it. Or until I get good mark, I will try for it. You have to think in such a way. I will not stop trying. That is a positive thought. You can color it. Okay. See here. First one, I can never finish this work. That is negative thought. You can cross it. I will try my best. That is a positive thought. You can color it. No one loves me. That is a negative thought. You can cross it. I will learn to swim. That is a positive thought. You can color it. I can never swim. That is a negative thought. You can cross it. Okay. I can do this. That is a positive thought. You can color it. I will not stop trying. That is also a positive thought. You can color it. Okay. This is your today's work. Do this work neatly and send it in WhatsApp. Okay.